Add a little bit of sesame oil, just about that amount. That should be like about one tablespoon. Let's go ahead and make this Chinese fried rice. So I have all my ingredients out here, but I will just introduce all the ingredients as I cook along, so I don't have to like waste so much time. I don't want this video to be too long. So I have my skillet pot here. I kind of have a little bit of oil on that pot. I'll put my stove on right now. So while the pot is heating up, I have 4 eggs. So I'll go ahead and beat the eggs up, like beat them up pretty good. So once that is ready, I'll set that aside and wait for my pot to get warmed up pretty good. Once the pan is heated up a little bit, just go ahead and I put my butter. So you can use oil, you can use any oil of your choice. Go ahead and mix that up. So go ahead and pour my eggs, the 4 eggs, pour them in and start stirring them up right away. The next thing I will do is to add some black pepper and a sprinkle of salt. Just sprinkle in some salt as well, and then turn them up. So once you are done with the egg, just go ahead and take that out in a different bowl. And bring that to melting point. Once they are all melted, okay, once the butter is melted, chicken breast, go ahead and put that in the pan. Black pepper, any black pepper of your choice. Add a sprinkle of salt again, so be mindful so you don't over salt your food. So go ahead and turn that around. A little bit of soy sauce, any soy sauce of your brown, add a little bit, and add some seasoned sesame oil. Add a little bit of sesame oil and turn that around. So this brings this chicken to a different level. Oh my goodness, the taste, it tastes so amazing. So just go ahead and turn that around until they are all over the plate. I'll go ahead and cover that up and let it steam for about 5 minutes. While that is cooking, I'll go ahead and mix up my oil. So the oil that I'll be using for today, the stir-fried sauce that I'll be using, I'm using an oyster sauce. So I'll add a little bit here. I can't really tell you the amount, so I'll add a little bit of the sesame oil and then soy sauce. So these are the sauce I'll be using. So to mix them up, I'll be adding a little bit of chicken stock. So I'll add that amount of chicken stock and then turn them until they are well combined. Just half teaspoon of red crushed pepper. Just add that. And one more thing that I'll add to this sauce is chicken flavor bouillon. Believe me, these extra steps will bring your fried rice to a different level. Believe me, don't want to like miss this part. So it will bring your fried rice to a different whole level. It will taste so delicious. So this is the sauce that we're gonna be using for this fried rice. It's ready. So right now we'll go back and check the chicken to see all the water is gone, all the sauce, the chicken has taken them up. So I'll go ahead and put that away. There. Make sure I got everything out. Then return my pot back in the stove. So like I said, feel free to use a different oil of your choice. But if you have butter available, please do go ahead and use the butter, because this brings this rice to a different whole level. Give it so much juicy. So once your butter is completely melted, go ahead and add the onions. So I'll go ahead and pour that in. So I like to use paper plates when I'm cooking because I just throw them away. So I have some ginger that I miced up, or I grated them with my grater, and some garlic. Stir them up until they come to a translucent look. Okay, just look at that. Can you see that? I wish I can explain how good this is smelling right now. So what I'll do, I like to fry my rice in this garlic, ginger, onions mixture. So just go ahead and fry your rice for a couple of minutes. So just go ahead and turn this up until it's all mixed up together. Okay, I'm done turning this up right now, and it took me like about 2 minutes to get everything properly combined. So now we need to move on. I have this vegetable. I'm gonna put this vegetable. I can't remember the name. I hope if I remember the name, I'm gonna put it. So I'll go ahead and mix that up. So I just want to show you guys the vegetable that I added. This is the vegetable. I don't know if you remember the name, and the name is not even here on the label. I know the name, but I can't just remember what it's called right now. So guys, forgive me for that. If you know the name, please do let me know on the description section, or sorry, on the comment section, and I'll go ahead and add my chicken and the egg that I fried before. So like I told you guys, I'm making a very large quantity of fried rice, so that's why it seems like I'm using a little bit more ingredients. So feel free to use your ingredient based on the quantity of rice you're making. So I'll go ahead and turn that around, mix them up properly. The next, I'll add the carrots. So you can skip carrots if you don't like carrots in your fried rice, but I like carrots in my fried rice. The only thing I don't like in my fried rice is green peas. I don't like those in my fried rice. But when I go to Chinese restaurant, they do have it in their fried rice, those green peas, but I don't really like it. But I still buy it anyway because I don't have any choice. But now that I'm making mine, I happen to be the boss in my kitchen, so I can add whatever I want, right? So when you're making food in your kitchen, you can choose what to add. and what not to add. So I kind of like the carrots. It gives it nice color, those flashy color. So I'm gonna go ahead and add my spring onions or green onions, whichever one you choose to call it. Go ahead and sprinkle in some of them there. I will save a little bit to garnish mine when I'm done cooking it. And then I also add the bean sprouts. Good, very good, in perfect condition. Just because it's a little bit cold, so it kind of changes the color. I'll go ahead and turn that around until it's well combined as well. Once everything is very well combined together, once they are marrying each other right now, so it's time for me to go ahead and add my soy sauce mixture. Just pour that in. Okay. So I want to make sure I got everything out of the plate. Go ahead and stir them up. Oh, smelling so good right now. So I'll keep turning this and make sure every single part got mixed up with the soy sauce. Okay guys, the rice is well combined right now, and the way the rice is now is ready, it's done. So if you like your rice, your fried rice, to be this bright in color, then you're done. But sometimes I like my fried rice, my Chinese fried rice, to have a different kind of dark color. So for that reason, I'm gonna be adding this mushroom flavor, the superior dark soy sauce. So I'm gonna be adding that up to darken the color. So this is optional. You can do this if you want to change the color of your fried rice. So I'll show you what the color will look like once I mix this up. So look at the color right now. This is the color I want my fried rice to be. If I'm eating fried rice and it's too bright, too shiny, not really my favorite. So this is the color that I like. And once you put this the dark sauce, make sure you start stirring it right away and faster, because you don't want it to dry up in one spot and then the other spot will be white. So that's why once you put your soy sauce, make sure you start turning it right away and as fast as you could. So let me just bring this a little bit closer. Oh, there's a lot of smoke. I wish you can see that better. There you go. Can you see that now? Looking so nice. So this is it. Our fried rice is ready. So that's a very large quantity of fried rice. I'm making for about 6 people or a little bit more than that. So they might have it for dinner tonight. And my kids love Chinese fried rice. So whenever I make this rice, they want to eat it morning, afternoon, night. So so that's their favorite. So they can eat it as many as they want. So look at that, looking so nice. Oh, it's dropping. Can you see that? Oh my god. Guys, to be frank with you guys, to be honest with you guys, this fried rice tastes way better than what I've been eating in Chinese restaurant. If you doubt me, just go ahead and give it a try. Just follow my step. Don't say, oh, I did this wrong, or I added this first. Just go ahead and give this rice a try, just the same way I did it. Then come and tell me what you think. You'll probably be thanking me later. Okay, so guys, this is it. I'll just go ahead and enjoy myself with this rice, and I will see you guys next. And we cannot just eat our fried rice like that. We have to eat our fried rice with some fried chicken. So guys, I'll show you guys the chicken that I'll be using with this my delicious fried rice. I'll be enjoying this my fried chicken with my fried rice. It's all good. Looks so nice and delicious right now. Can you see that? So let me go ahead and give this a try. Okay guys, this brings us to the end of the recipe. I hope you guys enjoy watching this recipe with me today, which is a fried rice and fried chicken. So I hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Have a wonderful day. Okay guys, see you next time. Bye.